Today, we're going to show a polypeptide chain made of 4 amino acids. Each amino acid has 3 important parts. First, the amine group, written as H2N, which is like the head of the amino acid. Second, the carboxyl group, written as COOH, which is like the tail of the amino acid. And third, the R group, which is side chain that makes each amino acid unique. You can see in the diagram that we labeled these as R1, R2, R3, and R4. Amino acids connect to each other through peptide bonds. A peptide bond is formed when the amino group of one amino acid reacts with the carboxyl group of the next amino acid. Each reaction releases a molecule of water, which is called a dehydration reaction. These bonds link the amino acids together to form a chain called a polypeptide.
What is polypeptides and why it is important? Polypeptides are important because they make up proteins which are essential for our bodies. Proteins do many jobs like building muscles, helping chemical reactions, and supporting our immune system. The sequence and types of our group in the chain determine how protein moves and what it can do. So in summary, this diagram shows amino acid joined by peptide bonds, the amino group, carboxyl group, R groups labeled, and the chain represent building blocks of proteins. Understanding this helps us see how small molecules can join to make something very important for our life, like proteins.